Namaskaram. In this session, we are discussing about the use of MS Excel for statistical tools. Statistical analysis offers an understanding of a set of data. Statistical analysis offers an understanding of a set of data. That is, a group or bulk of data should be analyzed by using this statistics tool in MS Excel. And each Excel has a rich set of powerful statistical functions. Itself, the operating system contains a number of statistical analytical tools, and statistical functions are special functions which takes a list of values or as arguments. So these are the things which we can use by using this operating system, that is MS Excel, for statistical analysis. And three or four types of such as statistical tools we can study here in this topic, that is sum, median and mode. How to do the sum of some characters and mean of some characters and median of some characters and mode of some characters by using MS Excel. So first one is sum, that is list. There is some functions sum, not only SOME, sum function will total the value in the list. While you select some rows and columns, you will get the total value. And to use the sum functions, first select the cell where you get the total value. Wherever you require the total value, just there you can click it in the column and type equal sign and type down SUM in the formula bar. So within bracket you specify the range of cells or list out the address of cells which to be summed, and that is the row number and the column title should be given in the bracket. Okay, after pressing enter key, then you just enter the enter key or click the enter key in your keyboard, will get the total value in the active cell you selected. Then thereby you can do the sum in the MS Excel office. Okay, next is mean. How to measure the mean value of the particular average or range of your selected columns. It is mentioned that mean value is the average value in Excel. Mean is not a function. Average list will do the same. Okay, and average function basically has to do two functions. In first step, it calculates the sum of the values in the list, as I said in the previous function, that is sum. Do the same step, and the second step, it divides the sum by number of values in the list, so the average will appear. And to use the average function, first select the cell where you get the total value and type equals average in formula bar. Within bracket, you specify the range of cells or list out the address of cells which to be considered for mean or average. After pressing enter key, you will get the mean value in the active cell. So this you can practice one or two times in your computer. You can easily understand the process. Okay, coming to the next function in statistical tool which is used in MS Excel is median. Median is also the list. That is, median means the midpoint of list sorted in low to high level. Okay, median or list function will compute the median value in the list. So that is, to use the median function, first select the cell where you get the total value and type equal median in formula bar, and within bracket specify the range of cells or list out the address of cells which to be considered, as previously mentioned, to measure the average or sum. And the same way or same function or practice should be made to find out median. And after pressing the enter key, you will get the median value in an active cell. So you just try to practice it, and you will get the practice on MS Excel to measure the median value. And the fourth kind of statistical tool commonly used is to find out the mode. The mode or list function returns the most frequent occurring number in given list. So wherever the number is similar number is getting repeated, which is found by mode. Okay, and if the frequency of all numbers in the given list is 1, then the mode function will return an error value. And to use the mode function, first select the cell where you get the total value as in the same in median or average or in sum. Type the equal sign and type mode in the formula bar, and within bracket specify the range of cells or list out the address of the cells which to be considered. So it is all these four types of statistical tool is somewhat similar, but only just you practice in your computer by opening an MS Office Excel. Okay, and after pressing the enter key, you will get the most frequent value in the active cell, and thereby you can find the mode. So these are the four casual functions which is used in the statistical tool by using MS Excel. Okay, thank you.